Now to make this crop top with wide oversized sleeves, I'm using 2 meters of fabric. Then the first thing I did was create my starting line. From my starting line, I'm going to be marking my round armhole measurement, and the length I'm using for this top is 23 inches because of the elastic at the hem. My round armhole is 8.5 inches. I'll connect this into a straight line. The next thing I'm doing is marking my shoulder measurement on my chest line and also on my shoulder line. Connect this into a straight line, and then mark in my 3 inches for my neck width and come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. Now the width of my neck for the back is 1.5, and for my front is 7 inches. It's a V neck in front. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on. So the next thing I'm doing here is marking half of my round armhole measurement and coming in by 1/2 inch, because the front armhole is deeper than the back armhole. I'm marking 1/4 of my bust measurement plus 2 inches, because this dress is absolutely free. There's no zipper or anything. So I'm going to be connecting my back armhole and then my front armhole. And on the hem of my top, I'm taking whatever I have on my bust measurements plus I think 1 more inch. I added 1 more inch because, like I said, there'll be an elastic at the hem. Now connect and cut. Now first of all, cut out the back armhole and also cut out the back neckline. Add 1/2 inch to join your shoulders. I'll fold my fabric into 2 like so. It will be cut on fold. Both the back and the front will be cut on fold. Pin it down to avoid excess or unnecessary movement of your fabric. Cut. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. Comment down below if you try this out. Comment down below whatever tutorial you want to see from me and I'll deliver for you guys. Okay, now after cutting out the back, I'll go ahead to cut out my front armhole and my front neckline. Fold my fabric again into 2 and cut. I'm sorry that the center front wasn't showing. I didn't know. Really sorry. Pin your fabric to avoid unnecessary and excess movement. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to mark my sleeves. Now the length I'm using for my sleeve is about 27 to 30 inches because I want it to be oversized, but the arm area is going to be fitted. The sleeve, the edge of the sleeve is going to be like oversized. That's the whole plan. It's going to be balloon sleeves but without an elastic. If you guys want to see like a full detailed tutorial on how to create your basic sleeves, please let me know on the comment section down below and I will deliver that video for you guys. Okay, now cut this out. Here what I'm doing is just deepening my front armhole because the front and the back armhole is not the same, guys. I already said that before. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to open up my front and my back and double fold my hem to create my elastic casing. So So just folding by 1/2 inch and folding again by 1 inch. Make sure you fold a width that is enough for the elastic you're using, whether 1/2 inch elastic or 1 inch elastic. But for me, I would actually advise you use 1/2 inch elastic for this, but if you feel like you want to use 1 inch, go ahead. Now for your elastic, you're going to be measuring half of your waist measurement minus 2-3 inches. How stretchy the elastic you're using is. Now cut this out, use a safety pin and insert this into your channel for both the back and the front. As you can see, this is what I have. I'll repeat the same thing on the front pattern, after which I'll go ahead and join my shoulders together and my side seam. So this is it. My shoulders are joined, my side seams are joined, and my sleeve, I also join the sides of my sleeve and double fold the hem of my sleeve. I'll just go ahead and attach it. Yeah, so this is my sleeve, all joined together, hem folded already. I'll go ahead and attach it, making sure that the right side, the front part of the sleeve matches with the front part of your top. So go ahead, attach your sleeves and use like a bias tape to turn your neckline, and I'll show you guys the end result. And this here is my final result. If you find this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.